Starting a professional executive assistant business can be a rewarding and lucrative venture, especially in today's fast-paced corporate world. As companies increasingly seek efficiency and flexibility, the demand for skilled executive assistants who can operate independently is on the rise. The first step in launching your business is to clearly define the services you will offer. This could range from calendar management and email correspondence to project coordination and event planning. It's important to identify your niche and target market, whether it's small businesses, entrepreneurs, or large corporations. Establishing a strong brand identity and creating a professional online presence through a website and social media profiles will help attract clients and build credibility. Once you have defined your services, setting up the business structure is crucial. Decide whether you'll operate as a sole proprietor, a limited liability company, LLC, or another business entity. Each has its own legal and tax implications, so it might be wise to consult with a legal professional or accountant. Additionally, consider obtaining any necessary licenses or permits required in your area. Setting up a dedicated workspace with the right tools and technology is also essential. Invest in reliable hardware, software, and communication tools that enable seamless remote work and efficient client interaction. Marketing your executive assistant business effectively will determine your success in attracting clients. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that includes networking, referrals, and digital marketing. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with potential clients on platforms like LinkedIn. Offering free webinars or workshops can showcase your expertise and attract new clients. Testimonials and case studies from satisfied clients can also enhance your reputation and provide social proof of your capabilities. Pricing your services competitively while ensuring they reflect your skills and experience is key to maintaining profitability. Financially, the potential earnings from an executive assistant business can vary widely based on factors such as location, client base, and the range of services offered. On average, executive assistants can charge anywhere from $25 to $75 per hour, with some highly experienced professionals commanding even higher rates. Annual income can range from $50,000 to over $100,000, depending on the volume of work and client contracts secured. Building long-term relationships with clients and offering retainer packages can provide a steady income stream and financial stability. In conclusion, starting a professional executive assistant business requires careful planning, strategic marketing, and a commitment to delivering exceptional service. By defining your services, setting up the right business structure, and effectively marketing your offerings, you can tap into a growing market and achieve financial success. With dedication and the right strategies, your executive assistant business can thrive, providing valuable support to clients and offering you a fulfilling career path.